Hey guys, we all know that sales is one of the strong pillars for the success of any organization. And the only way in which sales can happen in the current situation is through telesales. Now, the whole concept of telecalling or telesales is changing drastically because it starts from the root where telecaller no more is that typical fresher with a 15,000 or a 20,000 salary who knows some four languages, and we hire him just because he knows those four languages. Trends are changing. In today's situation, if you want somebody to be successful in telesales, is the guy should have the minimum understanding, or I would say minimum level of experience in sales. It cannot be a fresher who would just dial 150 calls, 170 calls, or you put him through a dialer and the dialer automatically ends up dialing 150, 200 calls a day. I think the measure has to change. It is not just the volume of calls that a person does, but it has to be the quality of calling, which really gets the conversion for the organization. I will not give a regular gyan in terms of telesales on adopting the right attitude, drive yourself to business, have belief in yourself, never assume, develop verbal skills, be prepared, handle all calls professionally, close all calls professionally. These are some very typical gyan which is there across. But I feel a guy needs to have a thorough knowledge on the product or service that he is planning to sell it across to somebody on the other side. We don't have face to face selling anymore. Most of the selling happens on the call. So the guy has to be somebody who has experience in sales on a face to face level. But in the current pandemic situation, he will be a right guy to sell something on a call. So I think the role of hiring a fresher at a mere 15,000, 20,000, and taking him as an intern for a couple of years, couple of months, in fact, not years, sorry, taking him for a couple of months and then uh, trying to get some sales out of him, the logic doesn't work anymore. The logic which works in the current situation is hire somebody who has a decent 5 to 7 years of experience in that particular domain, but tell him very clearly that it is going to be a typical sales role. It's going to be a sales on a call. Those are the guys who will give you results at this point in time and not a fresher. Please note that I am not trying to say that freshers will not be able to do sales, but the current situation doesn't call for doing any kind of a trial. You need to have people who are experienced, who have knowledge in that field, and they can be successful telesales guys. Thank you.